going? Wanted to make a quick video about the Opuntia, cochenillifera, and really any Opuntia species plague, which is all this white stuff here. A lot of people get really worried when they see it. It does spread, not really quickly. Like, it's been on this guy for like 2 or 3 years. It's just recently spread to that one this year, and then those are all pretty free. You can wash them down and get rid of this plague, but I find it'll come back anyways. So I just, I don't really spray anything or try to get rid of it. I just let it run its own course, and when the cacti dies, I will basically take it with me to my ranch, and if it can propagate, it can propagate, and if not, then it's just had its day. So here, I was just recently cutting a few of them. Looks like those got scrunched up when other ones were falling, but I'll take them to the land too. I filled up a wheelbarrow full of them right now. But yeah, anyways, this plague, you can see all these little white balls, right? Now check this out. You see that? How it turns to blood? Look at that. All of this. See this? You can make dye with it, and it's actually how they made red dye prior to a lot of industrialization in the Americas, and they still do it in Mexico and lots of countries. But yeah, this plague here, just wanted to say that don't worry about it too much. You can still eat the cacti, they're fine, the fruit is fine. It really just is a parasitic disease that takes a little bit from the cacti, and the cacti continue growing, but it'll just do so a lot less than or a lot less quicker than usual. But always try and look at the positive, and the positive is here that this plague can actually be made into something. You can dye your clothes, you can make dye and sell it online or anything like that. Just wanted to show you guys quickly how it looks like. But let me see if I get a quick zoom on it. You can see here all of this stuff. Now watch when you just put your finger on it, it turns to red. Look at that.